All right, after several days, it is cleared off. Now I need to sweep it off, get all the dirt off it, and then I'm going to have to find some stone to bring this up to the same height right here. And then I'm going to try to find some countertop material to go right along there. I already have about 4 or 5 already I've located. I think they'll fit good. And then we can start mortaring them in, do all this right here, clean this whole wall. I'm going to have to mask up again and really clean it right down. I swept this really good before and did some repair. Maybe I'll catch a few more little spots here and there. I'm thinking about taking some of these old electric lines down. I mean, there's no reason. This was brought over. There was some sub panels here for the furnaces. So I really don't need this big thing here. It goes, I think it goes all the way into the other room. So I could remove some of that, get that out of there. But I could do that anytime too. Although it might be easier now that this is all cleared out. Okay, so mainly cleaning next and finding the right stone, and then I'll water it all down before I start mortaring. I also had an idea for this. When I was taking a break, I thought, you know what? That would look really cool right there. So I cleaned all this up. I even got the shop vac out and shop vac off the stone and moved a couple so I could stand up in there to get it. But then I realized I can't get to the wood. I'm going to have to use a masonry bit. And I looked around. I can't find them yet. So I know what they're in. I know what case they're in. I just don't know where I put the case. So I'll find it, but it may take me a couple days. Who knows? I just can't remember where I used them last. But also cleaned off the top of the stove, so that looks really good now. Much better. So we're gaining. Also, been cleaning in the other room, the cold room, so I'll work on that some more. And kind of odds and ends stuff too, other stuff. Been picking up a lot of branches outside. It's getting nicer out. So just trying to get them picked up and using them in the stove. It's kind of interesting right here. There's a big patch right here. I don't know. Maybe there was a brick missing, or you know, some of the bricks deteriorate. Maybe that's what they did. Huh. Piece of wood right there. That's interesting. This can come out, but not a high priority, and plus it's not a bad place to hang something, so for right now it's going to stay. And I'll just get the cobwebs down while I'm here. Oh, this is interesting here. Just noticed. I think I've seen it before. So this, I think, goes to the stairs. It's kind of like an anchor that comes through the floor joist, and then it's a metal rod. Yeah, that's for the corner of the stairs, because right here is for the light. That's right in the center of the newel post. And you can see they got another bolt right here to hold it in place. So that's what gives it that sturdiness. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so that's a trick you can do. Come through the floor right into the floor joist below to stabilize things. Would not have thought of that. Okay. Let's mask up, get the music going, and sweep that thing off. Could use a shop vac. Yeah, maybe I should. Okay, might do that.